Hello guys, welcome to channel called Scarabyte, and today we will discuss to how edit your stream, how adjust your stream. So we discussed in the previous episode how to edit this video, this text, yeah. So now we will discuss, for example, about color source, yeah. But one moment, I just added this. So here we can select the color. For example, I don't know, red, and it's for example. Oh no, let's do like black. Just selected the color and do right here. Put this source above, text above, and put like here, and it will be like background of this for more concentration on the text here. So also we can put, for example, the image, I don't know, so browse here and I don't know, like let's find, I don't know, for example, Watch Dogs, and we want to, for example, like here. So if I don't want that you see me, yeah, I put like here the Watch Dogs, and yeah, that's all. Also we can remove or hide some scenes, for example. Also we can add video, for example, like here, media source. We can add camera, like me. I added my webcam with the video capture device. So we can add, for example, some donations if we have donations, and if we want to receive the donation, like put the browser, yeah, okay, and here put the link from the donation alert, or I don't know, for some donation service. Also we can group, yeah, like add a group, for example, I don't know, text message, and put into the group some text and this, so you can like occupy less space from here, the sources, yeah. Also we can put this lock, and we can move it, but we can't delete this. Oh no, we can't move it from here, yeah. So you see, I can move the camera, but I can't move this text message. And also we can hide all the thing. We can open and edit one by one, and also we can like, yeah, hide, or we can like move all the thing, yeah. I mean, if I will find the okay, we have to unlock this, and yeah, move to objects. So yeah, let's delete this, and I think that I discussed with you these features, and yeah, you were on channel called Scarabyte, and bye bye.